Thank you so much for taking out time for being a part of Know Your XCOM Team series. And as a part of this initiative, what we're planning to do is speak to all our XCOM team members and just with a few questions, try to get to know them a little better right at the beginning of their new term that's going to start July 2021. So, can I begin my question, sir?
Yeah, you can ask the questions.
Okay. So the first question that I have for you is, if I were to ask you that one word with which, you would uniquely brand yourself that people can relate to immediately, what would that be and why?
I would like to be branded with the word catalyst.
Oh, okay.
So being a science student, I would like to facilitate my members' growth from where they are to the next level, maybe to the next level. So therefore, while the catalyst doesn't change and allow others to change, this catalyst will be a little more different, that I will also pick up some points for my own growth. So therefore, I would like to brand myself as a catalyst president.
Lovely. I'm definitely going to remember this.
So I would call myself a referee. And on a serious note, performing this VP education role is a very challenging role. I know it is not very easy because you have to satisfy all the members, and we have quite a lot of members, and giving them speech slots and roles and making them aligned with their objectives, and at the same time fulfilling the club's objectives is very challenging. So there I need to be a referee, I guess.
It's Ambassador Sugashni.
Okay.
Why? Because the roles and responsibilities of ambassador is making foundation stronger. Making a foundation stronger with the club and the members. So I chosen this ambassador as for my roles and responsibility, not for my name, for this VP membership.
What would that be and why?
For me, I would like to call it as maybe hashtag Deepak, because that hashtag is a usual trend we used to follow, right? So since I am the face of social media and I'm also handling other social media for Madras Toastmasters Club, so I would like to call it as hashtag Deepak.
Very apt being the VPPR for this term.
That word will be archivist. Archivist is someone who records, administrates all those information and store it. That is the meaning. That goes well with this role, secretary role. Secretary role is most of that, so I'll use that brand.
Right, okay. If I were to describe you with one word, a brand, that we could relate to, what would that be and why?
Again, if I were to use a unique branding, I would use air, because without the air we cannot breathe just like that. Without Sergeant Atoms we cannot start and end any Toastmaster meeting. In this way I would like to associate myself with the unique branding air, and also I would like to call me as Air Sergeant Atoms Mutum. I hope this works.
Absolutely. Yes. Very technologically related as well, because air and so the Apple company and technology, I think somewhere it's all interconnected. So great, I think very relevant.
It's Richie Rich Taki.
That's very interesting. RR, and why is that so?
Basically, my profession is banker, so something related to money. So I this name suits to me because banker means rich, Richie Rich Raki.
Absolutely right.